We are given a list that mixes positive and negative numbers, and we want the largest sum from any contiguous stretch of it. In this list, the best stretch is 4, minus 1, 2, 1, which adds to 6. The numbers can dip negative in the middle, so the trick is knowing when to keep a stretch and when to start fresh. This is called Kadane's algorithm. We sweep left to right, keeping a running sum of the stretch that ends at where we stand. The key realization is that if the running sum ever drops below 0, carrying it forward can only hurt any future stretch, so we throw it away and start a new stretch at the current number. At every step, we compare the running sum against the best we have seen and keep the larger. One pass, and we have the answer. We seed both the best answer and the current running sum with the first number. Then, from the second number on, we ask a simple question at each step. Is it better to extend the current stretch by adding this number, or to start over at this number alone? We take whichever is larger. Then we update the best answer if the current stretch beats it, and at the end we return the best. Let's build it in a live editor, one block at a time. We start both the best answer and the current running stretch at the very first number. From the second number on, we either extend the stretch or start fresh here, whichever gives more. We keep the best stretch we have ever held and return it once the sweep is done. Now let's test it and hit run. There it is. The best stretch sums to 6. An all-positive list just adds up to 23. And when every number is negative, we still return the least bad single value, minus 1, all in a single sweep. The shape is this. Seed both best and current with the first number. While numbers remain, set current to the larger of the current number alone, or the running sum plus it, update best and loop. When the numbers run out, return best. We look at each number exactly once, so this is order n time, a single sweep. We keep only the running sum and the best value, so the space is order 1. Checking every possible stretch by hand would have been order n squared, so Kadane's idea of dropping a negative running sum is a real speed win. Three reminders. Seed the best answer with the first number rather than 0, otherwise an all-negative list would wrongly report 0. The core choice at each step is between the current number by itself and the current number added to the running sum. And this version returns just the best sum. If you also need the actual stretch, keep a couple more variables to remember where it starts and ends.